everyone, I'm Rachel from RachhLoves, and I'm so excited to be partnering with Pixi to share with you guys my Layers highlighting palette. And today I want to show you guys how to get that custom glow, because we're going to be playing with all of these different shades here today to create a nice summery glowy look. So across the bottom here, we have Tea and Clutch, and these are the two base shades. These are the shades that if you just want a nice, like, everyday highlighting look, these are the go-tos. And then up here, these diamonds up here are sort of the customizers. We have Knit, nice bronzy shade. We have Lace with a nice iciness, and then a Zipper in the middle, which is a nice pop of purple. You can combine all of these different shades together to create a very customized glow, depending on the occasion and just how blinding you want to glow. I like a good blinding highlight. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be combining some of these shades together. I'm going to show you how I do my glow with this palette. We're going to do the shoulders, we're going to do the collarbone, we're going to do the highlight, we're going to do the eyes, we're going to go all over with this palette. I'm so excited. So let's start with the highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the base here. I'm gonna go in with Clutch, and we're gonna apply that first for a nice subtle glow. What I like to do is I like to start right on top of the cheekbone right there, and then swoop it back to where the light would naturally hit the top part of your face, right on top of the brow. And again, you have a nice, like, soft, subtle look. I feel healthy, I feel glowy, I feel summery. So now that we have the base down on the cheekbones, add a little bit to the bridge of the nose as well. We're gonna go in and we're gonna do some layering, hence the name of the palette. So I'm gonna go in with Lace right here, which is a nice icy shade. It's a little bit pinker as well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a smaller highlighting brush, and I'm going to dip it in to Lace right here. And I'm also going to spritz the brush here. I'm gonna be using the Pixi Rose Glow Mist, one of my faves. And I'm going to spritz the brush just a little bit, and that's gonna really bring out the metallic kind of pop in the color. And make sure, if you're going to be using a spray to kind of really make those highlights pop, make sure that you dip the brush into the product first, then spray the brush, then apply. Love a good blingy highlight. So now that we have the blinding cheek highlight, what we're gonna go on to next is just adding a little bit to the bridge of the nose, the Cupid's bow. You can even add a little bit right on top of the brow and just at the side of the chin. I find that that gives like a really natural, almost a dewy effect. It looks like wet on the skin, which is really pretty. So I'm gonna take that same small brush, I'm gonna dip it into Clutch as well as Lace, kind of mix the two together. And we're just going to dust it on. So I actually came up with all of these names because I was thinking of the layers of an outfit and how when you layer different elements, like for example, Tea, Clutch, a knit, it finishes a look for me. And that same way that you would finish up an outfit, that's what highlight is for me. And it makes me feel excited and happy and confident. So now that we've got the face, let's go on to the eyes. So I'm going to take a smaller brush yet. All my brushes keep getting smaller. So I'm gonna go in to the inner corner, and I really like to make that area pop as well. So I am going to use a mixture of Clutch and Lace again as sort of a base. And then we're gonna go in and make it pop even more by spritzing the brush with the Rose Glow Mist. This also has a mirror, which is great because then you can just look and touch up and get that glow. There we go. And then if you want to take it up a notch, I'm going to dip it in to Lace and Clutch again. And I'm going to spritz the brush. And we're just going to apply it to the inner corner. Now for the lids, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful shade Knit right here, and I'm going to apply this shade wet, and especially wet because it really brings out this metallic shine, and it's just, oh, so pretty. And then we're going to apply it to the lids. Just adds a nice, like, pretty shine. Oh, so pretty, I love it. All right, now that we have the eyes done, we have the face done, let's go into a little body glam. So I'm gonna go in with a bigger brush this time. We're gonna start subtle, we're gonna build. We're gonna do the layers. So So I'm gonna start here with Tea, which is more of a golden undertone, and mix it with Clutch, which has more of a neutral champagne undertone. Mix those two together. And then if you're looking at a mirror straight on, you kind of want to see where the light would naturally hit your skin. So for me, it's like right here on the shoulders, up on top of the collarbone. And again, I'm using this dry, and it can be really, really subtle. You don't have to use too much. If you are nervous to kind of go into the whole highlight world, you can start really soft and subtle and pretty. But there's always that option to really make it bling. And now, because that, I mean, really, really pretty, but we're gonna take it up a notch. So I have on my brush here, I have Tea and Clutch again, and I'm gonna take my Rose Glow Mist. My love, such a good duo with the highlight palette. I'm going to spritz it, and then we're going to add just that extra wet effect, kind of a gleam on the skin. All right, there we have it. We're nice and blingy and summery and highlighty, ready for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really like how it turned out. I love playing with this layers highlighting palette. It's been so much fun. You can go and check out more details in the info bar. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in another video. Bye everyone.